In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate efficiently using Google Maps. Let's dive right in and get you moving from point A to point B like a pro, shall we? First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Once you've done that, head over to the Google homepage by entering the URL in the address bar. When the homepage loads, you'll see a search bar right at the center of the page. Here, type in Google Maps and hit enter to perform the search. This action will take you to a results page full of links related to Google Maps. What you're interested in is the main Google Maps link, which is usually the top result. Click on this link to proceed. Now that you've landed on the Google Maps homepage, you'll see several options and a map view of your current location or a default starting spot, depending on your settings. Look for the search icon on the map interface. It usually appears as a magnifying glass at the top left corner. Click on this icon